Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today, I have my Boxycharm Luxe, and it showed up this evening. So if you're interested in seeing what variation I received, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys had a good day. Well, here it's evening as usual, and my Boxycharm Luxe showed up, so I said I have to video this so that way I can edit it and put it up tomorrow as soon as possible in case you're interested in seeing what variation I received to see if we're box twins. Okay, so without any further ado, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And I haven't even opened it. And as you guys know, I do get my mail a little late here. And so it did come in this evening after dark. And so I figured, okay, I'll go ahead and open this tonight and just make sure, I get this up for you guys tomorrow. I already have something in place, so you'll probably get tomorrow maybe a 2-video day. Matter of fact, probably will be because tomorrow is... my California Dreaming series, right? So, yeah. Okay, so when we get the Boxy Luxe, we receive it like this. I think this is the first time I see it in this type of box. And what this is, it's a quarterly box. And it's $49.95. And on a month that you receive the Boxy Luxe, you do not... Luxe, you do not receive the base box. And so you actually, this is an upgrade from the base box, and then you can get your choice if you want to have your premium, which I do, but that's still sitting in a warehouse somewhere because I haven't even really seen a movement on that one. So yeah, so at least I have this one. And that the premium is $35. And here we go, and it opens like this, and it comes with a card, of course, that talks about the theme of the month. And seeing the clovers here, the 4-leaf clovers, of course, it's St. Patrick's month, right? So, yeah. And let's see. Whoa, okay. I'm going to go ahead and arrange this here like this, so that way I'm not knocking over my camera or anything. And so this month's, let's see, Boxycharm Luxe, that is the card here. And, of course, the things that I received is going to be back here. And I don't want to really look at that yet, but I will tell you what the variation is. Variation is 2021, let's see, March. So it's 401. 401 is the variation. And they've gone away from the regular simple, 1 through whatever number they had, and that's all they had. Now they have C21, which means 2021. 03 means March, and 401 is the variation dash LX. LX stands for Luxe. Okay, so that's how it goes. And let's get started. Okay, right off the bat, I see something, here, Barbarella. And this looks to be an eyeshadow palette. And so let's go ahead and read about this first, and then I'll open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so this is, let's see, this is Barbarella, and... let's see, what are you? It doesn't say Barbarella right off the bat. Okay, here we go. It's by Bee Beauty, B-E-E Beauty London. Barbarella eyeshadow palette. Meet the black book of color with subtle shades to straight up blasts of color. Jet milled pigments deliver intense, saturated, light, reflective shades with gorgeous textures, plus long-lasting and non-creasing silky and velvety finishes. And this retails for, wow, $50. And it is a Boxy Luxe exclusive by the looks at that. And so let's take a look at it and see. Okay. And if it has any type of, if I think it's the kind of shades that I probably have, I'll go ahead and put it in the giveaways right away. Okay, here it is. And... let's see. Oh, yeah. These look very nice, actually. Here is a mirror here. And then here are the shades here. But again, these are not any different from the shades I already have. And this is actually really, really pretty. I mean, there's definitely colors that you can use for the spring. and the summer. So there's a mixture of, it looks like shimmers as well as mattes. Yep, not too many mattes though, from what I can see. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes. Oh, is that 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 5 mattes. And so there we go. And the rest of them are shimmers. So I will go ahead and put this in the giveaways. Put that protector back in there and put it back in the sleeve. Oops, the protector always wants to run away from me. So I just want to make sure I get this nicely put back. So okay, next thing in a box, let's go ahead and pull this out. Wow, this is a big, it's a big jar of whatever it is. Okay, it says it's rose quartz hair mask. Okay, hair mask. And let's see what it says about that. And that is your touch tone of hair products. Like rose and quartz, hair mask suits a spectrum of needs with 0% sulfate, sodium chloride, parabens, IPEGs, or phthalates. It suits all hair types and is safe for use with all chemical processes. So yeah, it's $31 and it is vegan and cruelty-free certified. And so here it is. I'm not gonna open it because I'm not sure if it's gonna have any kind of protecting inside, and I already have a hair mask going, so I'll go ahead and just leave it as is. Okay, next thing in a box is KVD, and it says Lock It. And this is some kind of a brush. It is a foundation brush. Okay, I always look for foundation brushes. Matter of fact, this may have been my choice. And so this is what it looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and open this because I know I will keep this because I do love KVD brushes. I have several actually, and they're really nice. And I don't have any foundation brushes from them. And so I'll go ahead and keep this one. And yep, okay, this is very nice actually. Get out of there. Okay, it doesn't want to. Oh, okay, here we go. Okay, there we go. And it says KVD right there. I don't know if you can, because of the shine here. And this is this is very firm, but it's very nice. I really like this. I think this is going to be a very good foundation brush for me. Yep. Okay, that's good. I'll put that right in my foundation brush container and let's read about it. So this is the KVD Vegan Beauty Lock It Edge Foundation Brush number 10. This highly performance foundation brush features an original custom design with a sculpted edge that conforms to the curves and contours of your face. The perfectly symmetrical tapered bristles allows you to reach every corner from every angle for precise, even blending. And it does retail for $34, okay? So, okay, well, that's nice. I like that. Okay, and the next in the box, and this was also my choice. And the thing is, I hope I got the right shade, and I don't own anything like this from Fenty Beauty, and it is a foundation, and that's great that, I was able to get the foundation brush. So let me take a look real quick. The shade that I chose is 185, it looks like. And I did actually go onto her site and try to match my color, because I knew this was coming. So here it is, and it actually looks pretty close. It looks pretty darn close. So yeah, I'll take a look at it later and see if this is going to work for me. I heard great things about Fenty Beauty's foundation, so I'm really excited because you know me and foundation. I love foundation, and especially if it's a nice shade match. And so let's read about what it says about that. Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. This long-wearing light as air foundation gives skin an intense, smooth, pore diffuse, shine-free finish. The oil-free formula is made with climate-adaptive technology that's resistant to sweat and humidity and won't clog pores. So that's wherever you are. It's going to work on your skin. So it's retails for $36. And I'm really actually looking forward to it. You know what? I'm going to take a look at it real quick to see if the color match is close. And so let's see. Oh, it's a pump. So that's good. I don't want to have to dump that out. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we go. I feel the resistance. Oh, it just looks like a perfect color match, actually. My hands are a little bit darker than my face. And so, let's see, you know what? Here we go. Oh, that blends really nice. There it is. I don't know if you can notice that, but yeah. Yep. good shade. I'm really happy with that, actually. Yeah. Huh. Okay. Well, how I did the color match was that they ask of a known, like which foundation do you use and what is the number that you use. And when I put it in there, I think I used my Clinique because that's the only company that's a perfect match. And this is the number I came up with. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Yeah. Oh, it is. It feels nice. Yeah, I'm looking forward to using it. Yep. Okay. Great. And next in the box is, what is this? It's something gold. Very gold. And you guys know I'm not crazy about gold. But what is this? It's Kiss the Stars 24 karat gold lip plumping mask. Those look like glitter in there. Yeah, I'm not into glittery things on my lips. Let's see what it says about it, though. It says, Kiss the Stars 24 karat gold lip plumping mask. This 24 karat gold and biodegradable glitter Stars lip plumping mask will moisturize and nourish your lips. Expect a tingling sensation and softer kissable lips. It retails for $42. Yeah, look at this, guys. This is like pure glitter. I mean, can you see that? Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be putting that on my lips. Yeah, no. So it will go into giveaways because somebody might like it. Yeah. Again, the next thing in my box is Dominique Cosmetics. And this is a creamy fill and define lip liner in the shade of Crush. And so, let's see. Lip liner I will keep, especially from Dominique Cosmetics, because I have had theirs before. And I love the shape of them. Okay, this is perfect. You see here? Let's see if I can get it in focus. Okay. And I will go ahead and swatch this. What should I swatch? I'll swatch it here. Very nice color. This is a very nice nudie color. What I like about this is the shape of the applicator. There it is right here. You guys know I wear a lot of colors like this. So this is perfect. Okay. And this is a type of pencil that you could actually fill in and then just put a lip gloss over it. So let's see what it says about that. Okay, Dominique Cosmetics, creamy fill and defined lip liner. Define and fill in your lips with this unique teardrop shaped lip liner, narrow at the tip for precision and wide at the bottom to fill. It's infused with clean, good for you ingredients like vitamin E to protect from free radicals, boost circulation, smooth fine lines, and keep lips pillowy soft. The silky, long-lasting demi-matte finish is so light and breathable, you'll forget you're wearing it. And it retails for $18. You know, I mean, it feels pretty good, and there's no scent, no fragrance, so that's that. Okay, great. And I have two more things in my box, and the next thing, I think this is what everybody was making a big deal about. Okay, but I can try it, but it's by Glow Recipe, and it's called Plum Hyaluronic Serum, and it's deep hydration and glow, and here it is right here. And so let me take a look real quick. You know what? Give me a second. I want to look at the ingredients real quick. Okay, guys, I did have a chance to look at it. It does say it has fragrance in it, but it says natural fragrance, but it calls it out as perfume on the ingredients list, but it has an asterisk, and on the bottom, the asterisk indicates that it is a natural fragrance. So I don't know what that's all about. I'm not going to open it, and this is sealed too because, yeah, I'm probably not going to use this. You know, I know people are making a big deal about the, you know, the Glow Recipe and all that, but I have skincare that works for me, and I don't want to introduce something like this with the fragrance in it, because even if it's natural fragrance, it's still fragrance, and there's really no need to put fragrance in skincare. You guys know that. You've heard me say it over and over and over, and I'd rather not take the chance of becoming sensitive to products because of fragrance, okay? And sometimes natural fragrance actually is worse because the essential oils and things like that could be pretty strong on the skin and could be damaging. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the giveaways for those people who don't mind it. And because I know people do use it, otherwise they wouldn't be in, you know, they wouldn't be in business, right? So I'll go ahead and put this in the future giveaway. Okay, the last thing. Oh, wait. I didn't read about it. Did I? I did. Did I tell you what the, no, I didn't read about it. Okay, so this is a Plump Hyaluronic Serum. This concentrated formula is your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. The Silky Water Gel Serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plum, hyaluronic acid, and vegan collagen. The formula contains 5 weight of hyaluronic acid to target different layers of the skin for deep hydration, and it retails for $42. Okay, that's that. I almost forgot to do that. Sorry about that. And then the last thing in my box, which was my choice, and I probably, coming to think of it now, I don't know if I'm gonna have room on my table for this. And this is very cute, and it's like this, and it is actually a makeup brush holder, and it is so very cute. See, here we go. And I'm hoping that this is like 3 different compartments. And it says face, eyes, and lips. Let's see if it's... Yep, it's 3 different compartments. And it says by Gennaro. By Gennaro. It's face, eyes, and lips. This is kind of cute. I think I'll go ahead and put this on my table and just remove the other clear one. Yeah, okay. And so, let's read about it though. Okay, by Gennaro. It is, okay, it's called Brush Crush Makeup Brush Holder. Whew, say that 3 times real fast. A stylish way to store your makeup brushes. This holder has 3 compartments to keep your vanity clean, drawers uncluttered, and brushes organized. It's always easy to find the ones you need. And retails for $34. Yeah, okay. Kind of pricey for a piece of plastic, but okay. But yeah, it's very cute, and I could always use makeup brush holders because I have makeup brushes everywhere, and so maybe I can get it organized somehow. Yeah. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much for spending your time with me today and unboxing my Boxycharm Luxe with me. And if I added any value, please hit like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing and ring that bell and mark all so you know whenever I upload a new video. So my beautiful wildflowers, I will end it here and say, please have a good day, good evening, good night, good week, good weekend, whenever you're watching this. Regardless, always remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.